Whoa. I gotta go up to the point. Point of no return. Nice little point out on this lake. Hopefully it's a good day. Breeze today, but it should be pushing stuff to this shoreline. I have to fish around the corner of this point where it's calm, but the food is all being pushed this way, so it should be good. We just had a nice hit. I'm letting the sawbelly just swim with no weight. I can cast it out pretty far with this pole. See what happens. Beautiful day, about 80 degrees. I think the wind is coming out of the south, but behind this point it should work out because it's pushing all the food over into here, so good as place as any on a windy day. I'm letting the one minnow just swim around out there, and then I got a dauber with a worm. Try to catch anything, white bass, rock bass, big trout, whatever bites. Oh, I think I got one. Let me tighten up my drag. That pulled for a little bit. Nope, I think it might have stole my bait. Something had it though. Usually let the big trout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got something. Cool. He ain't fighting real hard. I wonder what it is. Oh, he's fighting a little harder. I'm not sure what it is. Huh. Oh, he's running now. Oh, I think it's a smallie. Yeah, fight, baby. I got light line today. What do we got? Ah, a nice little smallie. Tire yourself out, son. Tire yourself out. I'll be right with you in a minute. Come on. Pretty nice one. Nice smallie. 16, almost 16 inches. About 16. A little over. This weighs a little light. It's 1.5 pounds. Time to release them. He fought pretty hard. Time to release him. Go on, boy. Come on, boy. Good boy. Ain't no weight. Just a swivel with a leader. And then I just let it. Give it some line. Leave the drag loose. And let her just swim around until I get the nice hit. Another one. It doesn't feel like much. Feeling a little better. Over to Trout. It's doing some head shaking. Head shaking. Oh, nice little run. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Oh, what is it? Oh, another smallie, I think. Fighting harder than the last one, though. Oh, beautiful fish, beautiful. Oh, that's a nice one. Come on. Well, that's a big one. Come on. Come on. Get yourself tired. It's a pretty nice one. This one is. Can't see. Wow, it's almost 20 inches. 20 inches in, just a little over 2 pounds. It's a nice one. There you go. There you go. Better keep an eye on the sky because it's starting to look like we're going to have some freaking bad rain, bad weather. The wind's picking up. I don't want to get stuck out here. Got another one. This is crazy. Good day, I guess. Oh, come on. I think it's wrapped around something. It unwrapped. Son of a gun. That was a nice one. That was a really big fish. He swam in towards the shore and got tangled on something. It's a tree out there or something. That was really big. Starting to rain. Man, I had a nice one too. I ain't going till I get that sucker. He was a nice big fish. Son of a gun, the rain's coming. Hopefully, I'll have to look at the weather. Hopefully I can get this sucker. It's huge. I might have another one. Yeah. Oh, I got a big one. Come on. Yeah, I'm snagged on something. Uh-oh, time to get out of here. Woo! Oh man, it's bad. I'm back again. It stopped raining. There's some lightning and thunder, but I think it's to the east of me now. And all that wind stopped, so I think that was the front passing through. It was really, they're really hitting right before that. Hopefully they're still hitting right now. Thunder and lightning over there. Sprinkling a little bit. Hopefully it's over. What a difference 20 minutes made. It's like glass now. Storm blew through. I didn't get hardly any rain though. But I had to fish. That was it. I came back after the storm and didn't get a hit after that initial storm. That was it for me today. Well, I fished for about 4 hours. Beautiful day though.